Spring has definitely sprung at MODA thanks to the launch of their brand new brush collection, the Cherry Blossom Kit for Face and Eyes. My name is Melissa Collazo. I'm a professional makeup artist and MODA maven, and I was thoroughly inspired by these gorgeous handles and brush ferrule. Not only that, the brushes look like a bouquet of flowers when you bring them together. They are the quality that you have come to know and love from MODA, along with being 100% vegan and cruelty-free. Join me as I take you through how I created this look using this brand new collection.
Let's get started. I personally prefer a smaller brush when using complexion, so I opted for the mini setting blossom from the eye kit to blend out my foundation and highlight. Using the budding contour brush, I am creating and building structure in my complexion, and watch how beautifully that brush blends out those cream contour products to an undetectable finish. Now that my complexion has been perfected, it's time to bring some life back into the skin. For this pretty springtime look, I'm using a pink cream blush to enhance the cheeks and lift the face. I'm also using it in the eye crease for an overall brightening effect. Once I have my creams blended down where I want them, it's time to go in with a translucent powder to lock them into place. What I love about the MODA brushes is how well they work with both cream and powder products. Watch as I go back in with a powder bronzer and a powder blush to reinforce all the creams that I started with at the beginning. And just look at how that unique flower-shaped bristle makes blending a breeze. As I said in the beginning, I am completely inspired by the ombre silk touch handles, so let's create a rose gold and bronze eye look. I started by sweeping a warm toned brown through the crease of my lids using the crease brush in order to define the eye. Now I'm using the shader brush to tap this gorgeous rose gold liquid gel shadow onto my lids. Using a stippling motion with the shader brush allows me to build up as much or as little of that wet-like shimmer on the eyelids, but we are going for the gold today and I am living for the result. I'm back in with my shader brush in a deeper chocolate brown to build out definition on the outer portion of the eye. Now it's time for eyeliner. I'm starting with a brown gel pencil and I'm using the angled liner brush not only to create more precision, but also to soften the overall look. By adding just a little dark brown shadow, I'm able to pull the tail of that eyeliner outward into a lifted cat eye shape without the harsh lines. It's time for one last dip of my crease brush, mixing the medium and deep brown together and blending it to the outer third to create a sultry look. I use the pointed tip of the detail brush in a number of different ways. First, to create a soft, smoky under eye that connects beautifully to that cat eye. Next, using concealer to cover up an old acne scar and to clean up the edges of this eye look. And finally, to buff out my brown lip liner, top it all off with a soft pink gloss, and you are good to go. And there you have it, a gorgeous rose gold and bronze look inspired by the new Cherry Blossom Kits by MODA.